What's up YouTube? Today I've got a couple of 111mm builds here. Nothing too crazy with these. This one is basically a Outrider with a one-handed opening blade here that I added. And it is lock. It's got a little liner lock there. We've got the cane opener with the small slotted tip screwdriver. The large slotted tip screwdriver with the bottle opener and wire stripper there. This one also has a liner lock. We've got the scissor. And on the other side, you have the inline Phillips. And then the wood saw. For back tools, you have the corkscrew, and I've got the eyeglass driver insert in here. And then you have the awl. For the scales, I did modify these a bit to include the ink pen. And then a insert here from Todd Parker. He's on Etsy, he sells these. And they have the little Leatherman driver in here. It's got a tiny flathead and then a tiny Phillips on the other side. Then you can also insert it right in this little hole in the insert to use as like a T-handle. And it just goes right back in here. And right in there. For this other 111mm, this is basically just a Sentinel with the pocket clip on the end here. I did acid etch and stone wash this blade and the spring. It does have the locking blade, which is nice. Well, that is going to do it for this video. If you guys like it, please like and subscribe.